So guys, here again with the user review, and I'm with Govind, and he has this beautiful beast, I would say, that is the Trident Street Triple. Which specific model is this, Govind?
This is the Street Triple R
Okay.
2020 BS6 model.
BS6 model, and you
Yeah.
purchased this beauty when?
2020 June or July.
And you have driven, I noticed that you have driven it quite a bit now.
Yeah, almost 7k kilometers.
So, for a lame user, what is your experience with the Triumph?
Triumph is very good.
Okay,
It is better than its counterparts
Okay,
in
nice.
some aspects.
okay,
It's very good actually.
okay.
Yeah.
I just test rode it, and it has mad power. The throttle is okay. It just like jumps, literally jumps.
It does.
So got to be careful with the throttle of this one. And how about the Triumph service in Hyderabad city?
It's actually very good.
It's nice.
They
Okay.
have at any time I go, I always see 10 technicians at least.
Wow.
It's good. The service is very fast.
Okay.
It's very economical compared to
Others.
Ducati and BMW.
Okay. And how now you have driven almost about 6,000 odd kilometers, right?
Yeah.
So how many services have you done for this one?
The first service was after 1,000 kilometers.
Okay.
The break-in service.
Okay.
After that, I only got the 1-year service. That's it.
That's a 1-year service you have got. Okay. So I noticed that the power is crazy. So can you drive this in the city, or you don't drive? You drive something
You
else?
can drive it in the city.
You drive it.
You can drive it like a normal bike.
Okay.
At the same speed.
Okay.
It goes very easily.
I noticed, even 435 it was comfortable.
You can drive it anywhere.
But does it heat? Because see, the problem with this is like it has that 765cc engine. Does it heat up?
It doesn't heat. Usually, what powerful bikes do is they heat up near your thighs.
Yeah.
Here.
Okay.
So this bike doesn't heat up here.
Okay.
It only heats up here near your foot.
Okay, near the
If
exhaust.
you're wearing shoes,
Okay.
you're good.
You're good. Okay. So even in our Hyderabad summer, you have driven it.
In Hyderabad summer in heavy traffic,
Oh.
the only heat you get is here.
Because I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, because I have read somewhere, like, I don't know, you can't trust internet these days. Trams get heated up and they just, they stop in traffic.
No.
Nothing like that.
Till now, I haven't seen in my bike, never did that.
Okay.
Even when it got super hot,
Okay.
the fan gets on, but
Okay.
never got turned off.
Okay. So that's nice. So prior to this, which bike here you were riding?
Prior to this, I was riding a Ducati Super Sport.
Wow. So from there to Triumph, why?
Actually, I didn't want, before buying that, I wanted to buy this itself.
Okay.
This was during the last year, during Feb to March.
Okay.
BS4 to BS6 transition.
Oh,
stage.
transition.
So this bike wasn't available then.
Okay. So this is a BS6, and I think so this produces 118 PS of 18 PS of power. And you haven't done a lot of modification. Did you do any accessories, special?
This is the one accessory I put.
Okay, this one. Okay, this cowl, yeah.
It comes only till here.
Okay.
This provides a bit more wind protection at high speeds.
Oh, nice. Okay. And the brakes, I noticed for a small ride, the brakes are incredible on this one. It's amazing, the brakes. They give you that confidence.
Yeah.
I was like, literally, I had to like very carefully because it was just stopping it.
Stopping, yeah.
So overall, I would say this is an excellent bike. Anything specific how about the nimbleness? That is something you can talk about. How nimble is this bike?
It's the most nimble bike I've ever ridden.
Oh, and you have driven a lot of bikes.
I've driven a lot of bikes. I've driven its competitors also.
Okay,
It's the most nimble, most lightweight,
okay.
easy to ride.
So overall, you like this bike, right?
Yeah, I love this bike.
Okay. And I can see you have ridden quite a bit. Let me switch on the Odo so the users get an idea. So this, 6,810. So almost 7,000 kilometers you have driven. And again, I know people who buy this bike will not care about the mileage. But what does it give?
Approximately 7 liters for 100 kilometers.
Okay, that's what you're getting. Okay. And this is in city traffic or like open roads?
Both combined.
Combined you're getting. Okay, that's what's super bikes. So what about ground clearance? I'm noticing
It's bad.
it's bad.
The ground clearance is bad.
Okay,
And if I don't approach a speed bump slowly,
Okay.
it's gonna scrape.
it is like some of the German car sedans. You have to be really careful, right?
To be very careful, otherwise it will scrape.
Oh, okay. That's the problem with many of the super bikes, I guess, right?
Yeah.
The same thing. It looks beautiful. And it's a beast. So you didn't do any, what do you say, major modifications or any accessories to this one?
No, I actually got an exhaust, but
Okay, you
the
removed.
traffic police don't like it.
But even with the stock one, it is good.
Yeah, it's good. Sounds good.
What I was also very surprised is the weight. It felt so light.
It feels very
And
light.
if anybody tells me like this is so light, I won't believe it.
Yeah,
How much was the typical service for this one?
6,000.
That's it.
That's it.
Seriously,
Yeah.
that includes the oil change and everything.
Everything combined, 6,000.
Not bad at all, actually.
The only regular maintenance is you have to get the chain lube
Yeah, that.
every 300 or 400 kilometers.
Okay.
In the showroom, they charge only 300 rupees for that.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's a big surprise, actually,
very good actually.
because BMW and all those things are expensive.
Yeah, they are expensive.
Oh, nice.
Chain loop, almost everyone's the same. Ducati does it for free.
Oh, nice. Okay, very nice. So, if I have to like, how about the tires? Okay, did you like these are the default
Diablo Rosso Corsas.
So these are the stock that came,
These are the stock that came. They're semi-road, semi-track.
and they provide good grip, right?
They're good grip. Yeah.
And the brakes, as I've told you, are like amazing on this one. The Brembos. So let me because you have driven a lot of super bikes. What do you feel about the brakes compared to other bikes in this class?
It's not as.
Oh,
I mean, what do you say? It's not as instant as some other bikes.
acha, bikes even better. Okay,
Yeah.
because I haven't driven. I was impressed with this one.
This is the base variant, right?
Okay.
So the RS has the Stylemus, I guess, which are better brakes.
Even better. Okay.
They're good.
But do these give, because I'm pretty sure you can easily hit triple digits without even knowing on this bike. So the brake, does it give you confidence?
Yeah, yeah.
It gives you the confidence.
Most confidence.
Okay. If you have to rate this bike, because you have owned it now over a year now, almost
Crossed in here.
across a year. So 10, let's say, is the max. What would you rate this one?
9.
9. Oh, you're like so. And this is coming from a person. Govind has a history of prior, what do you say, super bikes. It's not like this is your first.
This is my second bike.
The second super bike. And you must have ridden all the others also, right?
Yeah.
So overall, you are impressed with.
I'm very impressed.
So you would say a user who has this sort of a budget around this one. This is what, about 12, 13?
This is 11 actually.
On road?
Yeah, on road.
Oh, not
11
bad.
and a bit change.
Okay.
When I bought it, I got it for even lesser.
Oh, nice.
Now the price has increased.
Okay, fine.
From coming Jan, prices will increase a bit more.
Oh, okay. Nice. So not bad. I think so. In this class, do you recommend a person who has this sort of a budget, let's say 11, 12 lakhs, a bike, should he consider this one?
Yeah, he should consider this bike. He should go take a
Test drive, I think so. Test drive.
Test ride, and I'm sure he'll like it.
I also like you gave this for a ride, that small ride. Okay, when I accelerated, push that throttle, goose, man, literally it pushes you back.
You were riding on road mode.
Hi, I told you to switch on all the safety modes for me.
It was all on. You were riding on road regular mode.
Okay.
There's also sport,
Okay,
and there's another mode called rider, which you can set.
you can set. Okay.
You can set how much the engine is gonna use the power, how much the throttle is going to be responsive.
Okay.
And you can even set the ABS and traction in that mode.
Oh, okay. So ABS is selectable on this one.
Only in that mode.
Okay.
Rest all modes are preset.
So always on ABS.
Yeah. ABS is all. You can't turn off the ABS.
And how about traction?
You can turn off the traction.
Traction.
Only in rider mode.
Only in rider mode. Okay. So even in so you're telling me what mode you gave. If you go in the other mode, it's even more insane.
Yeah.
This was already an animal, I felt. So guys, I think so. This is one heck. Mine also first experience with this street trip. People always said that this is a pocket rocket. Now I understand why do they say this is a pocket rocket. Now I get it.
Yeah.
So overall, you are pretty happy with this one.
Very happy with this one. It has some things I do not like.
Yeah. Please that's the most important part. Please let me know.
As I said, the ground clearance.
Yeah, that's an issue.
And also the horn.
Yes, I thought it was faulty.
It is faulty.
Okay.
Something's wrong with the horn. For the last few months, it hasn't been working.
Okay. Very low noise. Very.
Very rarely it works.
Oh, okay.
Very low noise. Yeah, the noise is not coming.
But how about the stock? If it was okay, because I felt
If the horn is okay,
it's loud enough.
Problem with the bike. Yeah, it's loud enough.
Loud enough. You don't have to go for external. Okay. Anything else in a 1 year? Some issues?
In the sense, it's like any normal horn.
Okay.
Any superbike you get,
Okay.
the horn is usually like this.
Oh, okay.
It's not that they have better horns.
Anything else that you did not like, or you would say next version of the Street Triple,
Yeah.
if this had this feature, you would have been happier?
Nothing actually.
Nothing. You loved it so much.
I love it. For
So,
the price,
so this also you didn't change the stock
nothing
mirrors.
I changed.
Wow. So you are one, I would say, really satisfied with this one,
Yeah. Except the horn,
except the horn.
I
Okay.
have no other issue with the bike.
Okay. And the ground clearance, suspension was also decent only. We didn't ride in very bad
It's
patches,
a bit stiff.
but obviously it has to be stiff because of the.
Yeah.
But it was not bone jarring.
Yeah, it's not bone jar.
That's what I noticed. So again, thanks Govind for bringing the bike here and also letting me test drive this one. Excellent. And so overall, you're very happy with this.
Very, very
And I think so. This Trident, there's only one showroom in Hyderabad, or there are multiple?
This one.
That in Banjara Hills, right? So again, guys, that was the user review of this Triumph Street Triple, and from what I can get, overall, Govind is very happy with it.
Very, very.
And you give it a thumbs up?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Thank you, Govind, for taking out your time and sharing this experience so that others can also benefit. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Anyways, guys, take care. Catch you later.